Hello again, I'm finishing the chassis repair today. There's the car, there's my welder and my tools, and that's most of the parts I've had to remove to access the area. The gearbox still makes it a tight job. I've cut out the repair pieces. I'll repair the inside with 18 gauge steel first. I drilled the holes to secure the plate, bolted that in position and welded it on. I worked the rear flange to match the existing, tidied that up and welded it on. I welded on a bracing support for the gearbox mounting. I fitted a 17mm nut and bolt into this pre-drilled hole, nut uppermost. I tightened this up, welded on the nut to make that a captive nut, and then welded around the base of the plate. The outer repair section is tricky to form, but I made it from 20 gauge steel, which made it a bit easier. After spraying the inside with weld-through primer, I tacked it on, then fully welded it, ground weld off and seam sealed it. Gave it a coat of etch primer and 2 brushing metal primer coats. When that was tacky, I dabbed it with a cloth to make it look a bit rippled like the original. Then I brushed 2 coats of low blue cellulose mix, let that dry, sprayed the inside with some wax oil, and then fitted the 2 bungs. The discoloured front there is just a shadow. So it's all done, and thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.